Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are here with another unboxing. The only thing this time is we get to kill two birds with one stone because it is an indie brand and it is also a mystery box. And you know how your girl loves mystery boxes. So we're gonna open it up. It came in a box like this. And I'm not gonna lie, I did watch some of these unboxings because I can't resist. I gotta know what's in there. And there was a whole variation. People were getting all sorts of different stuff. So I think I really am gonna be surprised because not really anybody got the same thing. So let's open it up here. Let's see what we got. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek there. Oh, I see some palettes. Well, this is interesting. All I see is palettes. There's nothing but palettes in here. I don't think that has ever happened to me in the history of mystery boxes ever. Am I mad about it? No. This mystery box, I forgot to mention, was I think about $60. So I got 4 palettes here and their palettes run $30 each. And I got 4 of them. So I basically got double my money. That's awesome. So the first palette that we got here, I actually already have because I'm a maniac and I saw someone selling this for $20 in a makeup group and I snapped it up. So I do already have this one. So this one, I think it's about time to do another giveaway. I think I'm going to give this to one of you guys. So one of you guys can try out this brand. This is going right there. The next one in our box is the We Are All Mad Here palette. And, well, I have a confession to make. I have this one too because I bought their Halloween bundle and this one came in it. So I already have this one. This one I probably will sell on Mercari. The last 2 palettes that we have the Never Trust the Living. It's a Beetlejuice reference. I do not have this palette. In fact, I don't even think they sell this palette anymore. So I'm actually pretty excited to have this one. This is a really, really interesting one that they don't really do too often. And last but not least, we have their Spirit Board palette. And I also do not have this one. I'm lucky that this one didn't come in the Halloween bundle. I think it was the Tarot one that came in the Halloween bundle. So that is that one. And that is what was in the box. We got 4 palettes. That has never, ever happened to me. So I think you're definitely getting your money's worth. I mean, I saw some people getting gel liners. I saw people got brushes and more brushes and more brushes. And honestly, if I got a bunch of brushes, I probably would have been disappointed. Because their brushes didn't look like they were that great of quality. And I'd much rather have the palettes. They're much more fun. So let's take a look at these palettes. Now you know what's in the box. Now let's look at what the palettes look like. So this first one is the one I'm most interested in. So let's look at this one first. The Never Trust the Living palette. And it looks like the exact same thing inside the sleeve. When you open up the palette, take off that little condom there. That is a very, very cute color story. Look at that. That is way too many press glitters for me though. Way too many. A lot of shimmers, a lot of mattes, a decent matte to shimmer ratio. Oh, that's really pretty. That press glitter right there, if it wasn't a press glitter and an eyeshadow, I would be drooling right now and be in a coma. That is such a pretty color. Let's see, what's the next one? This one is shrink wrapped. I'm not going to open this one, but I will show you mine. And it is also a very interesting color story. It's got a nice pastel spooky goth vibe going on there. And I don't know if you can tell, it's got 2 shimmers in here. This one in the shade Moonlight and the shade Madness. They're super, super pretty. They're really wet. There, see how pretty that is? It's super pretty. It's like a light, shimmery baby blue with a little bit of silver. Okay, let's look at the last two palettes, and this is the one of you lovely people will get. The Welcome to the Carnival palette. And it looks like this. Just lost the condom. Uh-oh. And it's a fun little grungy palette also. It's got a lot of mattes and a lot of shimmers. And the last but not least is, whoops, is the Spirit Board palette. Such cool packaging. And we're gonna open her up. Look at those pans. I don't know why this one is so much different than the others, but look at those large pans, like the size of silver dollars. Nice, dark, goth, witchy looking vibe, which is very fitting. I think the color story is very suitable to the theme. I think that is a very cool palette, and I'm very excited to have this in my collection. So, those are the palettes that came in my box. Let me know what you think. Was this worth it? Would you have wanted to get this pack? Was it worth it? Would you have wanted to get this box? Let me know in the comments what you think. And please like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Carpe Cynthia, and I'll see you guys next time.